You got K2 spikes on something that's not even hooked up to nothing.
What the fuck? Sorry about my language.
Is there somebody here? Can you come up to us, please?
I swear rocks were just moved behind.
You have permission to touch her. This one.
Look at that. My husband, ghost baby, blood again. Just don't hurt my knee. Where to God, Jay? There's somebody moving around.
Oh, dude, look at the K2. Look at the K2. It's going crazy. Right when you look at that red, almost, it's all the way up to orange. Why would that be good? It doesn't have any national explanation, right? I mean, there's no power in here. Like, I've seen those never go off ever in a whole night. These are going off like crazy. It's not even a full moon. Hello? There's somebody here? It's okay, we're ghost hunters. Woo!